Thank you.
You ready?
Thank you, babe.
Elijah, you ready?
No, turn it back on.
You see me got the
Thank you, honey.
I got flash, it don't
Gotta
matter.
make the last one hurt. Okay.
Oh, which one? Who's this?
Who going first?
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Elijah said he wanted to go first.
No, wait, I'm the last
You didn't
one.
say that.
I'm the last one. This is the last one.
I thought you said you wanted to go first.
You don't go
What's up?
again. I'm the last one.
Oh, then it's over?
Listen,
That doesn't
listen,
seem fair.
listen. Your foundation kind of weak. I think you need a stable floor. I'm the nigga that'll choke you with a cable cord. Before I go around, man, you like the station horse. I'm the one that like to beat them till they pussy sore. Hey, listen, man, I never been a wussy. Put 8 chicks in one room, we calling it octopussy. Man, can you check the skills? You know I'm real. Young Money need to fucking come and give me a deal. They need to come quick. Watch Jari, I can't see them. I like to see my fucking eggs when I start to beat them. Man, listen up. Watch how I mistreat them. Watch how I take it. Watch how I read a skeet them. Man, your name is Sita. You eat, you spitting ether. I'm the nigga killing you up in my white beater. You know it's all white, like your shoes used to be. Listen up, dude. You know I'm through with G's. I'm through with people from Milwaukee. Think they talking. I'm from Milwaukee too, but when I was there, I wasn't sparking. I wasn't doing nothing. I was chilling in the crib. My mama kept me confined in the room where I live. But now I'm up in Georgia, where I'm sporting the Jordans. You niggas trying to do it, dog. I'll just torch them. Man, I'm in Adidas. I know you check the mess up. Man, you need to go to the doctor and get the check up. Why? Because my strong nigga, he literally wrecked up. He wrecked up, man. I think you just got messed up. Get your wounds dressed up. You need to do that quick, nigga. I'm done killing Rick. Man, who's next up? Who won the battle? I'll make you holler. You need to go with iron that fucking lazy ass collar. Man, you talking trash, man. You talking to a scholar. A person getting a job and steadily wrecking them dollars. I can spit it fast, dog. Man, watch how I'm delivering. You the maid, you the one buttering biscuits in my kitchen. Or you can put sliced cheese up on my Triscuits. Huh. Man, you's a country bumpkin. Your head big as a pumpkin. You talking trash, man, you bad. Hey, you a rat. Nigga, I'm too glad. Your new name's Sadie. I'm the Mexican, so you can call me Patty.
Oh, it's still coming back.
Oh, it's like 20 seconds left.
Y'all been killing this
Nah,
shit
you
all
gotta come
night.
real hot, man.
Don't worry about it.
Hold on, don't
Pretty
start.
Ricky always come through.
Elijah, put on another one.